Hi, it's Nicole from My Christmas, and tonight we have a Christmas in July special event, and we thought as a dessert we tried something different, and so we've gone the American s'mores table. The first time we've made this up, but it has been so easy, and I think it's beautiful, very effective end result. So I'll take you through a few of the things that we've done to make it easy for you to make these at home. First of all, the thing that I was struggled with most was the fuel, what we're going to use to actually cook our marshmallows, because I don't have any fires here. So we have these little fuel pots, and inside them is like a gel that they use to heat bain-maries and so forth in restaurants. You've got to be really careful, make sure you get the ethanol-based gel, not methanol, because you don't want to be eating that. And we're going to use them. We're not actually going to set the flames in this position because I'd like to use a kitchen bench where it's safer, but we thought as a display it looks great there. The fuel is only about $3 per little tin, and then the outer container, which also makes it easy to turn it off at the end because you just slide it across, about $10 each. Then we've got ourselves a number of their little bamboo cutlery containers from Kmart. So they were very inexpensive, that we've set up with our stones, our fuel. Then we've also used them to layer our marshmallows and our biscuits. Traditionally, s'mores are made with Graham biscuits. I always say Graham, but apparently it's Graham. Biscuits, we don't get them in Australia, we couldn't find them, so we've made a selection. The thing that we thought was the most important is trying to get slimmer biscuits, because otherwise the biscuit's the only thing you can taste. So when we did some testing, sometimes they suggest that you use the, I think it's granita biscuits, but they're quite thick. So most of what you've got in there is quite slim. We've put all of our marshmallow on the sticks. Florist foam is underneath there that they're sitting in, and then we've covered it in coconut so that it looks pretty. And then on the left, you've also got a gorgeous container just full of the really giant jumbo marshmallows. Again, we tested those and we found that with the fuel, they didn't heat so well, but they look gorgeous. So we thought we'd still have them on display. The other thing we thought was kind of cute was having a little bit of caramel, which is simply the Nestle condensed milk caramel that you can buy pre-made from the supermarket, and Nutella to give it for people who want a chocolate taste, so they can put a bit of that on their biscuits. And to decorate it, we've got some gorgeous gingerbread biscuits that were made by the Ginger Mill, one of our partners for the evening. She's also made this gorgeous real gingerbread man table decoration for us. Had our sleigh that we got in store, and this is one of the new guys, the new colour themes for 2019. So we used him. Again, Kmart hack, the pin board. Finally, we've got an elf in a wreath. We've used this gorgeous little marshmallow pick that we had, and then just added some battery-operated fairy lights to it. So we can't wait for everyone to enjoy this evening. Hope it's been helpful for you, and happy Christmas.